Hi, I'm Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Mazda 3 SP25, stock reference number 5522. This shape was run from the 4th of 2009 to the 10th of 2013. It has a L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. We have a L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. A left front wheel, 17-inch rims, factory alloy mag, good tyres, left-hand review mirror, left-hand front door, no dents, left-hand rear door, 2 dents, left rear wheel, 17-inch rims, factory alloy mag, left-hand taillight, left-hand garnish, boot lid with 3 dents, right-hand garnish, right-hand taillight, right rear wheel, 17-inch rims, factory alloy mag, right rear door, 4 dents, right front door, 1 dent, right hand review mirror, right front wheel, 17-inch rims, factory alloy mag, interior door trim, master switch, center console, manual gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy light, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, 3-spoke steering wheel, audio buttons, phone buttons, and cruise control.